Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lee FS Coach. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video please. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. Alright, so I just want to share an update of how I use this trading views indicator that I shared just yesterday. So I've been able to pick some trade this morning and it's working very fine. Okay, so you just have to do your own analysis, work around the trend, know what's good for you. Okay, I'm just providing an education on how I feel this indicator can be very helpful to your trading. Okay, so this is what I saw when I took this trade. So the market gives the arrow right here. Okay, by the normal entry we are supposed to enter on this next candle. Okay, but I was not with the chart at that time, so I met the market on this candle right here. Okay, so because the signal is still active, as the market has not gone below the signal candle, where we used to put our stop loss, so I still enter the market and my trend is still very strong. Okay, my trend is still very strong. Okay, so I just decided to enter into the market. Now a single candle is coming up. Okay, if I'm taking this trade now, I'm supposed to enter this market right here. Okay, and my stop loss will just be few pips below. Okay, you can this is already 1:2. Okay, I think this is 1:7. Okay, so that's why the market is still going on. Okay, I didn't go for 1:1 for this because I believe the trend is so strong and the market will go up to give us a new high. All right, so let's see. So card CHF. Okay, so I enter for this trade based on this trend, my trend indicator right here. So I saw the market making a massive pullback, okay, to this to my trend indicator. So I decided to pick the buy and my entry was so precise because it was such a massive candle. Okay, and I knew it was going to reject. Okay, so it just triggered the TP right here. I think this is 1:2. Okay, so we are dealing with 1:2 right here. Okay, now the signal candle has popped up. So if you are going for this buy, okay, you wait for the next candle and you trigger your market. Okay, you can also enter the market because you can see that the trend is so strong. I actually believe in riding the trend. The trend is so strong. Okay, so I will see how this is going to work out if I enter for this position just right now. 1:1. So stop loss is just below the signal candle. Okay, but why it's not advisable to enter on this signal candle is because it keeps adjusting. Okay, until this signal candle is fully formed. Okay, so the next candle so it's better like this because this will not change. Okay, assuming the market is very volatile, this will continue to adjust down and keep pushing your entry down. Okay, so that's why it's good for you to wait for the next candle before you enter into the market. So Euro USD, yeah, I actually see the volatility also. I traded the volatility here. So the market pushing very fast back up. Okay, then I decided to enter the market right here. Okay, just like I did for the previous one that I just showed, card CHF. So I decided to go for the sell, and this is my indicator signal. Okay, so I entered on the indicator signal itself, and the market quickly moved back down and pushes back up again. Okay, so but it actually triggers the take profit. Okay, so we are out of the market already. All right, so the next one. Okay, so this is the signal candle that pops up. So when I check the market, I explained the same thing right here when I was explaining AUDJPY. When I open my system, okay, so the market has already moved a little bit. So I met the market on this candle. Okay, seeing that the signal is still very much valid, so I decided to enter into the market, put my stop loss just below where it's supposed to be, a little pips above it. Okay, and I target 1:2. Okay, so it triggers TP and it's still going. Okay, don't forget you are going with the trend. So the trend is still showing us that the market is still going up. Okay, you can see from the trend that it is still in a bullish movement. Okay, if you check all your trend indicator, you actually see that the market is still trending up. Okay, so you just want to ride to the trend and take your own share from the market. Okay, so this is just another trade entry. Okay, this is 1:2 as well. So the market gave the signal right here. I'm supposed to enter to the market here. Okay, but I made the market go pushing back down. So I still have my stop loss according to the rule, and expecting the market to go up. Remember, I'm always going with the trend. The trend is still saying bullish. Okay, so let's check the next one. Okay, wow. Now I didn't enter this particular trade based on the big sniper indicator. So I entered based on my trend indicator. I did a video on the best. You can check my video, the best trading view indicator. I have it in my inside. You can check one of my video I did on it. Okay, so you can see the market moving back up, then coming back to my indicator trend. Okay, and knowing fully well that the market is coming back to a resistance. It's coming back to a support becoming resistance zone. Okay, it's coming back to my, I also did a video on this. Actually, you can check some of my videos. So this is a supply zone because the market makes a big movement up. This is a demand zone rather. Do a little push, a little bit pull back. Okay, and then pushes up again. Okay, so the market comes back to test this zone. Okay, the market comes back to test this zone, and this looks like, and I call this an engulfing candle. Okay, you see that the bullish movement actually engulfs the bears. Okay, then I believe the market will go up, so I enter into this position right here. But I entered this next trade based on my rule. You can see I'm using 1:1. Okay, so after the indicator pops up, then I enter on the next candle and it triggers my TP. So okay, so also I enter this based on my trend indicator, but I could also enter based on this my trade signal. So my entry will be on this candle, stop loss just few pips below, and I'm sure it should hit the TP right now. Okay, so this is still struggling to move. The market is not moving. So I entered this the same time I entered the AUD trade. Okay, you can see this is the signal candle. This is where I'm supposed to enter, but I entered the market on this candle because that is when I checked the chart. Okay, so and the market has not made any significant movement right there. So the market is just still consolidating, doing a little bit push. Okay, so let's just wait to see how the market will move. But still know that the market still has a very strong bullish movement, and these are my demand level where I believe the market is going to bounce off from. Okay, so I'm looking at this demand level that the market can do a little bit of retracement. Okay, and then push back up. Okay, so that's why I have my stop loss right here. Okay, so I entered this trade also the same time, and this is still struggling to trigger the TP as well. Okay, so this is my signal channel, my signal candle rather, and the market did a little bit of pullback down. Okay, so I was expecting that since the market is still expecting this, and we are still very much bullish, so I'm expecting the market to push back up. Okay, so another signal came up. You can enter for the market on this candle, but I already have a position. And don't forget that I have my demand level right here. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to come. Even if the market will do a retracement, it's going to bounce off from this level because the market is still very much bullish. Okay, so, and that's why I have my stop loss right here. Okay, guys, so I just decided to share. This is what I would just advise you have. You can't check across all peers. You can just have your specified list of currency pair that you like to trade the most. So you might reduce yours to 4, you might reduce yours to 3 or 1 or 2. So it depends on how you check the market. Okay, so this is just an update that I just decided to share with you, how you can pick your trade, check the market. If you see any signal, following the trend, very very important to make sure that you are not trading against the trend, because this is more like a scalping strategy. Okay, you don't want to scalp against the long term trend. Okay, so you see the direction of the trend in the long term, and then you just take your short term trade. In the next 30-15 minutes, you're out of the market already. Alright guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on TradingView. Alright guys, have a nice day.